Today we're going to learn how to adjust the needle up down on a Millie and a Freddie. Reasons that you would need to adjust the needle up down is when you hit your single stitch button and if the needle's already up, when you hit it once, the needle should go down and stay down. You hit it again, it comes up and stays up. We use that to bring up our bobbin thread. In this example, when you hit the white button, you can see that it over rotates. It goes up, down, or down, down. That can happen over time as the machine warms up or new machines get through the breakthrough or the break-in period. It can happen when everybody's incoming power is different. We set it here at the factory, but after it goes out in the field, it may need to be adjusted a little bit. Tools that you may want to have on hand is a Phillips screwdriver, a flashlight, a tiny flat screwdriver, or what we use here at the factory is called a Vichley Spectral. It's a potentiometer adjustment tool. I will show you the link to Amazon where to buy these. Some machines don't have this access hole in them, so to access that screw, we're going to take off these two Phillips screws. And this plate will slide off one side or the other. If for some reason this plate is struggling, you're gonna take a 9/64 Allen wrench and right in here, you're just gonna loosen, both of these set screws that are on the inside. And once those are both loose, this rear cover will pull back enough so that this can slide off. We're gonna slide this plate off. And we are looking at the letter B. That is the screw that we are going to turn to make that needle speed change. Shine the flashlight in the hole and locate the tiny brass screw that's in there and which direction the screw is facing. You'll take your screwdriver or your adjustment tool and line it up in there. Once you have it, you're going to turn that counterclockwise. We'll start with about a half a rotation, and then you're going to do your needle up down again. It's still a little fast. You're going to keep turning it. Try it again. You're shooting for about 1 full second. So 1001, 1001. For Lenny's and Lucy's that don't have the hole pre-drilled in the back, we're going to take out the 10 screws to remove the back cover to make the adjustment. Same thing, the letter B is the one we're going to adjust. I'm going to slow Lenny down so that you can see what that looks like. So I've slowed Lucy way down by turning that letter B counterclockwise. So I'm going to slowly turn it clockwise or to the right to speed it up. And I'm going to keep hitting that needle up down until I get to about 1 full second. That looks pretty good right there. Okay. All right, I'm gonna put the rear cover back on Lucy. This machine has the rear handles on it so you can see how it fits. We're just gonna line these screws up on the side and the 4 in the back. The 2 short screws go in the back. Just get them started. And the other 4 go on the side.